We've got a problem with these vertical blinds. They're big, nearly 12 feet across, very high, and the cord which operates them has frayed and is now broken. We've tied it together, which is not a solution because they're only open a few inches, and I've contacted the original suppliers who say nothing can be done about it because they're so old, about 37 years, and we'd have to have new ones, which would be a very expensive project because we've got another window there with matching blinds which we'd have to replace as well. Can you open it as far as it will go, please, Joan? That's all they'll open. Here we have Vince, who's coming along to look at our problem.
Yeah, what I think could be...
It's all frayed.
Yes, indeed. Well, that's caused by the sun and by excessive usage, so we can see that that is the case there.
It's only 37 years old.
Well, that comes in the top 10 of blinds, really. That comes in the top 10 of blinds that I would say that have lasted a long
It's like just
while.
going porous with everything,
Yeah,
with
yeah,
wear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't open those.
Right,
Because
okay.
I can't see if I open those, but I open these every day.
Yes, yes.
And pull them back. So.
Okay. Well, I think there is definitely a solution here, and as I mentioned on the phone, can I just try them myself?
Yes,
Yeah.
so they won't open very far because
Yeah.
because I just tied it in a knot to see if they'd work, but I
Yeah.
forgot it had got to go through there.
Yeah, yeah, I can see the problem. I mean, it can be possibly taken down and rethreaded, but for how long that would last, it is really an issue.
Let me, as we discussed on the
Yes.
telephone,
Yep.
if you say can solve the problem
Yes.
by putting a new top rail in,
Yeah, and
let's
you
go
can still
for
keep
it.
Yeah, and you can still keep your fabric.
That's right, yeah.
And also too, this 127mm width of slat is still current. We can still do a headrail for that,
Good.
and it's going to just make a lot of sense.
Still
Of course,
fasten okay onto the new headrail?
Yep,
Oh, will it
onto
be
the
the
clips that are currently there.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah?
So let me have a measure of that, and then we can see where we are, because I think that's going to just be best all round, really.
Yeah.
In every regard. So it's Vincent from Blindsfit, made to measure blinds, Hucknall, Nottingham. Just to review what we're going to do here, Mr. Parkinson, is that we're going to change that headrail for the exact same type, a silver type headrail. We're going to remove all of these louvers here, and then replace them with new chain, stabilising chain, and also new weights as well. And two, when the return blind comes, it will be child safety compliant, and the controls will be fitted to the wall there, and hopefully all should be well. Because what I might do as well is to change the weights and chains on that one.
So Vince, you call your company Blindsfit.
Yeah.
How did that come about?
Well, that came about really because persons who had their own blinds that they purchased, and they wanted someone professional to fit them. So basically I used the skills that I had and derived over the years to accommodate what they wanted. And so the name came about, blinds needed fitting.
Well
so
done.
blinds fit.
Well done. I like it. So this is Vince. He's just put the new rail on. He's connecting the child safety device.
Well, just want to say that the rail has been fitted. It's working fine without the louvers being hung. So that's normally a test that's made before we actually hang the louvers. So now I'm going to put the louvers in place.
Well done.
Yeah, so now I've completed the repair and refurbishment of these blinds. The new headrail is in place, and new stabilising chain as well, and weights too have been replaced. So this blind now is fully operational and ready for the customer to use, and should give them more life and enjoyment from their blinds.
Thank you very much. And you did this one as well, Vince?
That's right, yes. Just part of the service that Blindsfit provides to have matching chain and weight and to provide longer life for the blind. That's been changed as well.
Well done.